Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody. Today we will take a look at the parallel view on the dollar index and on the euro currency, because some features are looking better on the dollar index, but some features are important to see on the euro currency because we're mostly trading euro currency. That's why the patterns that we have there for us is more important than the dollar index. The picture is approximately the same as on the euro currencies on the dollar index, but on the daily chart, the dollar index shows a bit better quality of the patterns. For example, mostly our analysis is based on the thrust down here, and this thrust here is a bit better than on the euro currency, because on the euro currency I will show you. You can see here it's a bit some retracement has happened that makes overall actions not as attractive as on the dollar index, but mostly the features are the same, levels are the same. So here market is reaching the 3/8 support. So if we will draw it not from that lows but from the major low, you will see that right now market stands actually at major 3/8 support and monthly pivot point. Actually guys, probably as you could understand already, that we are dealing with the Judd Napoli Brent body trade. So we have thrust down, close above the 3x3, and reaching within the 2 sessions the major fib level 92.36. This is 3/8 resistance of the whole downward action. So here we have the Brent body sell. Correspondingly on the euro currency we have the Brent body buy. Why this pattern is very important? Because this pattern supports the previous direction. And that is extremely important issue for us. So because on the daily chart, you know what we were talking about, this ABCD pattern, right, on the euro currency, that major target has not been hit. And the appearing of the Brent body here tells that market should start upward action. Currently, based just on the Brent body, it's difficult to say whether the market will show just 618 retracement or it will continue to move higher, although the second scenario is looking more probable. But then Brent body gives us the chance to take the safe position in potentially with the 121.30 target. So rather extended move, more than the 150 pips. So that is a very attractive potential scenario. And the appearing of the Brent body, it's more than welcome in the current overall price behavior that we have with this ABCD. The same situation actually stands with the dollar index. On the dollar index we also have this ABCD down. This target also has not been hit yet, and the appearing of the Brent body sell here is also supportive issue for that purpose. On the intraday chart, guys, market mostly has completed target. So if you'll take a look at the 4-hour time frame chart on the dollar index, you'll see that the market has completed this A, B, C pattern 1618 extension. So in fact, this ABCD pattern create an agreement resistance with the daily fib level, because target and the level coincides in the same area. And also market has hit 50% target of this thrust down, some kind of the double repo pattern. That's why it seems that if Brent body will start, it should start somewhere from this area. So another step that still we could do is probably drop our time frame to lower time frame, so and wait for some clear pattern here. Maybe some ABCD retracement will be, it will give us guideless triple to sell. Maybe this will be double top or something of that sort. That's for those of you who are usually place relatively tight stop. If you place stops that's extended, for example 50 pip stop anyway, so in this case you could probably try to take the position somewhere in this area. If we take a look at the parallel view on the euro currency, here we could wait for a clear pattern that is forming. That's our 4-hour picture. If you remember, yesterday we said that probably market will hit either 1618 or target of this classic double top. This usually equals distance between the top to the neckline counted in direction of the breakout. So here I marked it as X2. So just double size of the from the top of the pattern. Okay, and market has hit it. Now take a look. Thrust down. It's very good. Actually, market is forming here a double repo buy. That's another pattern that you could watch for around. Take a look. Major confluence support stands in this area. So situation is very good, very good looking. So as soon as the double repo pattern will be formed here on the lower time frame on the hourly chart, here maybe you will get even the butterfly or something of that sort. Other words speaking, so euro currency is coming to the final point where we could get the answer on the possible either upward continuation, upward reversal again to the 120-130, or at least action to the 618 resistance of this drop. That is actually the bread and butter trade target. The same issue we should get in the dollar index. So as you can see, situation stands very nice. A lot of clear patterns are forming. So just keep watching, and as soon as we will get the patterns that will confirm our idea, we probably could try to take the position based on this stop that we have.